Well, it's ringing my baby, 'cause she's my home, she's my home.
Well, it's quite, when Elvis Presley comes down, it's quite an occasion for any section of the country. He has a lot of fans here. You'll find people here tonight from all as far north as Winchester, down Winston-Salem, far west is Bristol, east Lynchburg and Richmond.
How many people do you think are out here, man?
Oh, this is about 600-800, yes.
You want to give that money to charity? You want to keep it?
No, give it to Salvation Army. Yeah.
I'll bring Elvis by the fence.
Women been calling me all day, want to know what time you get here, and many other things.
Does the key fit the vault? Let's see.
How you doing?
Oh, you good looking dog.
Thank you, dear.
Oh, you fancy. You don't know.
We've got about 5 minutes here. Let me find him, man. You don't get a kiss. Hi, buddy.
Get it on, get it on.
WHBQ Memphis.
3 o'clock in George Klein, ready to get it on with some solid gold rock and roll Memphis-made music. Here's my man Elvis himself. Hit it easy, Suspicious Mind.
We're caught in a trap. I can't walk out now because I love you too much, baby. Well, why can't you see what you're doing to me when you don't